On the Couch with Koel. She debuted by making the biggest superstar dance to her tunes. And then without much hype, Anushka Sharma gave us 3 successful films in 3 years. And though she's more talented than all of them, will her silence be heard amidst the cackle of her contemporaries? Anushka Sharma, thank you very much for being on the couch.
Thank you for having me on the couch.
Oh God, why do I get this having me on the couch?
Because you're saying that, Anushka Sharma, thank you so much for coming on the couch.
Okay. Firstly, congratulations for all the awards that you've been nominated and that you're winning.
Thank you. Thank you for the many nominations. Thank you for the one award that I won.
Well, there's still more to go, no? A few.
Yeah.
A few more to go. So we'll see what happens. But it's been declared that you are now a successful actress, right? No more this, okay, we are still gauging. How does that feel?
I think you've put it right. Everybody keeps asking me, what's the difference after Band Baja Barat? And I think that's what it is. I always felt like people were a bit skeptical of me. They were gauging me all this while. So even though there were a lot of praises after my first film, that doesn't look like it's her first film, and she held her own opposite Shah Rukh Khan, all that, which was great to hear. But there was this sense of, okay, but let's see. That was always there. With after Band Baja Barat, I think that has sort of settled down, and now I'm feeling more welcome, if I can say that.
And life, how has that changed? Like, what are you able to afford now, you know?
You mean like money-wise?
Not necessarily. What is your success afforded you, you know? God, you really looked at my fumble and went to your... Okay, let's talk about that then if you want to.
No, let's just talk about the success.
The success, yeah. Okay, let's talk about how you actually got your first film. I mean, you've got this three film contract with Yash Raj.
Yeah.
You're a complete newcomer. No one's even heard of you.
Yeah.
And you suddenly come up with Shah Rukh Khan. How did that happen?
Because nobody had ever heard of me.
Meaning?
When Adi went to look for a girl for this film, he did not want a known face. He did not even want a model who was seen a lot in commercials or like on hoardings or whatever. I was right contender for it because I had been modeling for a while, but I was nowhere. So he saw my pictures. They called me for an audition. I did not want to be an actress because I thought there was a lot of casting couch or whatever. Really, that's exactly what I thought.
You didn't get put on one?
No, that's the thing. That's why I was always staying away from it, because what happens is when you're an outsider, all the information you get about the industry comes from, stories, media, these, what do you call those sting operations or whatever. So I was seeing a lot of those, and that was the time when all these operations were happening a lot, these sting operations. So I was seeing all these things, and it wasn't really giving me a very good idea and a good vibe of the industry. So I was staying away from it. I was very happy modeling. Actually, I always wanted to be a model, always. So I was happy doing that. But then when this call came, and I was like, "Nahi, I don't want to go for an audition." I told my manager, I was with an agency.
But then how did he see your pictures? They were just sent
my agency was like, "You keep saying what you want. We are sending your pictures everywhere."
Okay.
So in spite of me saying don't do it, so then I said, no, I'm not going to go, and I'm not going to go audition and all that. So my manager's like, listen, don't think you're too awesome also. Okay, you might not even get selected. So that was like, I got a reality check, and I was like, she's right. Maybe I can go audition. So I did. I went to an audition. They really liked